Yes, children, good morning, everyone. So, the topic is Sun and Solar System. So, today I'll conduct the reading. Yes, so that you will get practice. Now, I'll start with Azlan. Azlan, please take page number 7. Page number 7. The Sun and the Solar System. This page you take.
The sun, the sun,
Louder, louder, louder.
sun is a star. It is a huge ball of hot gases. The sun, eight planets, and their moons together from the solar system.
Yes.
Planet.
Hmm.
Planets are round in shape. They do not have light and heat of their own. Each planet orbits moves around the sun on its own path. The eight planets, according to their distance from the sun, are
Okay. Okay, Azlan. Next. Aishwita,
Yes, ma'am.
continue reading from Mercury.
Mercury is the
Mercury is the closest planet.
closest planet from the sun. It is the smallest planet.
Yeah. Next. Venus.
Venus is the second planet from the sun. It is the
Brightest.
brightest and the hottest planet of the solar system.
Read Earth planet also.
Earth, Earth is the
Hmm.
third planet from the sun.
Hmm.
It is the
Only planet.
only planet that
Hmm.
supports
Hmm.
life.
Hmm.
It is also
Called.
called the blue planet.
Hmm.
The Earth has one moon.
Yes. Thank you. Next. Misbah. Misbah, read Mars.
Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun.
Hmm.
It is called called the red planet.
Hmm. Next. Jupiter.
Jupiter. Jupiter is fifth planet from the sun. It is the longest
Largest.
planet
Hmm.
in the solar system.
Hmm. Next. Saturn.
Saturn is the sixth planet from the sun. It is the
Second.
second biggest
Hmm.
planet of the solar system.
Yes. Very good. Next. Tanishka,
Ma'am,
read Uranus.
Uranus.
Hmm.
Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the sun.
Neptune.
Neptune is the last planet of our solar system. It is
Hmm.
situated farthest from the sun.
Next, read that box item also.
Did you know
Hmm.
Venus called the
Hmm.
morning star or evening star?
Hmm. As it is.
It is
Hmm.
visible brightly
From the.
from Earth in the morning and evening,
Evening, respectively.
respectively.
Yes, good. Next, Shreyan. Shreyan. Shreyan or Shreyan?
Yes,
Read from starting again. The
ma'am.
sun and the solar system.
The sun is a star. It is
Hmm.
a huge ball of hot gases. The
Yes.
sun, eight planets, and they move together from the solar system.
Yeah. Next, planets.
Planets are round in they do not have light and heat of their own. Each
Hmm.
planet orbits moves around the
Hmm.
sun on its own path.
Hmm.
The eight planets, according to their distance from the sun, are Mercury. Is the closest
What are the
planet
8
from the
planets?
sun. It is
Shreyan. Shreyan, what are the 8 planets? Name them.
Mercury, Venus,
Shreyan,
Mars,
Shreyan.
Earth,
Wait, ma,
Jupiter,
wait,
Saturn.
wait. Wait, wait. Next, Srihan. Srihan.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the 8 planets? Name them. Hmm.
Mercury, Venus,
No, not like that. You have to tell the 8 planets
eight planets,
of the solar system.
the
The 8 planets of the solar system.
of the solar system.
Hmm.
Are
Hmm.
Mercury, Venus,
Hmm.
Earth,
Hmm.
Mars,
Hmm.
Jupiter,
Yeah.
Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Read Mercury.
Mercury is the closest planet from the sun. It is the smallest planet.
Venus.
Venus is the second planet from the sun. It is the brightest and the hottest planet of the solar system.
Okay, good. Next, Riyansika. Riyansika, read Earth planet.
Third planet from the sun. It is the one planet that
Only planet. It is the only planet.
it is the only planet
Hmm.
that
Hmm.
support
Hmm. Life.
life.
Yes.
It is also called the
Hmm.
blue planet. The Earth has one moon.
Okay, which planet is called blue planet?
Earth.
Earth. Come on, read Mars also.
Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. It is called the red planet.
Which is the 4th planet from the sun?
Mars.
Yes, Mars. Next, Adya. Adya. Adya, read. Adya, are you there? Where are you? Come on, read next one. Jupiter.
Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the sun. It is the longest
Largest.
planet in the
Largest planet.
largest planet in the solar system.
Don't be hurry burry. Read slowly and neatly. Okay. Again, you read Jupiter.
Jupiter is the fifth planet from the sun. It is the largest planet in the solar system.
Saturn. Read Saturn also.
Saturn is the sixth planet from the sun. It is the
It is the
second biggest biggest planet from the solar system.
Of the solar
Of the
system.
of the solar system.
Which is the biggest planet?
Saturn.
Hmm?
Jupiter.
Jupiter is the biggest planet. Yes. Next. Dhriti, can you read Dhriti? Uranus. Dhriti Rati.
Dhriti,
Okay. So meanwhile, I'll call some other. Then I'll give next chance to Dhriti. Next, Shreyas Rao. Shreyas,
Yes, ma'am.
where are you, Shreyas? Open your video. Shreyas,
Yes, ma'am.
read. Open your video and read this Uranus. Read Uranus. Where is your book? Shreyas, do you have book?
Yes, ma'am.
Read this book. Sorry, read this Uranus. Page number 8. What happened? Start reading. He is not responding. Kushal Sanjay. Kushal. My voice is echoing. Akshaj. Yes, Dhriti. Dhriti,
Yes, ma'am.
read Uranus.
Uranus is the seventh planet from the sun.
Neptune.
Neptune. Neptune is the last planet of our solar system. It is the shortest farthest from the sun.
It is situated farthest from the sun. Come on, read again. It is.
From the sun.
It is situated.
It is situated
Farthest from the sun.
farthest from the sun.
Read this Venus also. Venus is called morning star and read this.
The Venus is the second planet from the sun. It is the brightest and the hottest planet.
Hottest.
Hottest planet of the solar system.
Okay. Next, who is this? Lohit. Lohit, read the planet Earth.
Earth is our planet where we live.
Hello, where are you? From where you are reading? Page number 8. Page number 8. Earth you read.
Earth is the third planet from the sun. It is the only planet that supports life.
Yes.
It is also called the blue planet. The Earth has one moon.
Next, read Mars.
Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. It is called the red planet.
Okay, good. Next. Still, who is there remaining? Supratik. Supratik.
Yes, ma'am.
Supratik, read Jupiter.
Jupiter.
Page number 8, Jupiter.
Jupiter is a big.
What happened?
Jupiter is a big planet.
Hmm. Continue reading.
Jupiter is a big planet.
No, you're not reading correctly. That means you did not open the book.
Open memory.
Then page number 8. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the sun. It is the largest planet in the solar system. Read that.
Is the largest planet in the solar system.
Read from starting. Read from starting. Jupiter is the
Jupiter is the big planet in the
fifth
solar
planet.
system.
Fifth planet
The planet in the solar system.
from the sun. No, 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 no. You are not reading properly. Next, Kushal.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
read ma. Jupiter.
Jupiter is the fifth planet from the sun.
Mm.
It is the largest planet in the solar system.
Mm. Next.
Finish, ma'am.
Next you read Saturn. Continue.
Saturn is the sixth planet from the sun. It is the second biggest planet of the solar system.
Next, Uranus.
Uranus is the seventh planet from the sun.
Neptune.
Neptune is the last planet from our solar system. It is situated farthest from the sun.
Yes, good. Next, Nityasri. Nityasri.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Start reading from the starting, ma. The sun and the solar system.
The sun and the solar system. The sun is a the
sun is a star.
The sun is the star.
It is a huge ball of
hot gases. The sun, 8 planets, and
their moons. Moons.
Together of
Together form the solar system.
Together from the solar system.
No, Nitya. See here once again. See, the sun is a star. Look into your book. The sun is a star. It is a huge ball of hot gases. The sun, 8 planets, and their moons together form the solar system. Once again, you read.
The sun is a star. It is a renewable.
Huge ball.
Renewable.
Huge ball. Huge ball.
Huge ball of hot gases. The sun, 8 planets, and their moons together from the
form. That is not from form. Form the solar system. Yeah, Nitya, you have to read at home. After finishing the classes, open your book and read. Okay? Next, Advaita.
Yes, ma'am.
Read planets.
Okay, ma'am. Planets. Planets are a round shape. They do not have light and heat of their own. Each planet orbits around the sun on its own path. The 8 planets, according to their distance
from the sun or Mercury is the closest planet from the sun.
Mm.
It is the smallest planet.
Yes, very good. Next, Aryan. Aryan. Aryan, read Venus.
Yes, ma'am. Venus. Okay. Venus is the second planet from the sun. It is the brightest and the hottest planet in of the sun.
Aryan, your voice is breaking. Something problem with your audio. Check your audio. Dhriti Reddy,
Diti ready? Come. Yes, ma'am.
read Earth.
Yes, ma'am.
Read Earth, ma. Earth is the.
Earth is the third planet from the Earth.
Hmm?
Earth
Earth is the third planet.
is the third planet from the sun.
Hmm.
It is the only planet that supports life.
Hmm.
It is also called the blue planet.
Hmm.
The Earth has one moon.
Hmm. Next, Mars.
Mars is the fourth planet from the sun.
Yes.
It is called the red planet.
Hmm. Yes. Still anyone is there? Yes, Manvit Raj. Manvit, read Jupiter, Manvit. Manvit, read Jupiter. Yes, Manvit, where is your book? Read Jupiter, Jupiter. No, you are